Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different. I filmed a facial with one of my clients today and I just thought, you know, why not post it and see if people would be interested in seeing it. So for this facial I have started with a double cleanse and I'm just removing the product with some warm towels. I've been doing facials for this client for a while now and we're working towards really targeting some of the acne scarring, preventing any new breakouts from occurring and also incorporating some anti-aging techniques in there as well. So this client suffers from quite bad acne, mostly on her cheeks and chin area. They can be quite painful, under the skin blemishes that take a really long time to go away. So we've been alternating microneedling and chemical peels on a 4 to 6 week basis, and already we've seen huge improvements. We are now focusing a lot of attention on proper home care and getting rid of all the scarring left from her acne breakouts.
Now I'm not that sorry leaving you on red, yeah. Now my heart is broken into two. I have half but the other one is still with you. And I wish I could get it back, yeah. But I don't want to text you that, no.
As part of this advanced facial, we're starting with dermaplaning. So dermaplaning is the process of using a sterile blade to scrape away all those top layers of dead skin cells and vellus hair, or peach fuzz as it's commonly known. And by removing all those dead skin cells, you're not only giving this really deep exfoliation, but you're removing the possibility of those skin cells getting clogged up with sebum and potentially causing breakouts. By removing the top layer of dead skin cells as well, it's going to allow any products I use further along in the treatment to penetrate much deeper into the skin. Plus, it just adds this instant glow, so it's an amazing treatment for clients just to see results straight away.
Should have known that something will be coming soon. I'm sorry if you thought that you could make me mad. Maybe you're the one who can't move past this. I know the truth can kinda hurt. The sum of you and someone else no isn't your worth. I thought that I could take you at your word, but instead I got my feelings burned. Now my heart is
Next, I'm moving on to microneedling. This is going to be the most amazing treatment for someone like my client that suffers from acne scarring and uneven skin texture. We're basically causing these micro skin injuries in a really controlled way using tiny needles just to get the skin to start the healing process. And that can then leave the skin just more even in texture. It's going to improve the skin tone and it actually helps to reverse any signs of aging. So this treatment's amazing because although you're going to see results almost immediately, you're going to continue to see improvements over the next 8 weeks as your skin does its magic.
I wish you could understand that. I wish you could understand. Just because you're sorry. Just because.
Next, I'm using this blue LED light. So there's a different color light for a huge range of skin concerns, but today I'm using the blue color, and this is used to treat acne. So the blue LED light can help reduce activity from the sebaceous glands, just so that they produce less oil, which could potentially plug the hair follicle and then lead to acne. The blue light can also help to kill any acne causing bacteria. So for a client that is still trying to keep her acne at bay, this is going to be such a great treatment.
You said all the words that you could have said. I'm still trying to figure out the ones you meant.
So I'm going to leave you guys here. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give this video a like. Let me know down below what you guys think and what you'd like to see next. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!